Hi, my name's Rob Anderson with Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I just wanted to welcome you to the Spray Wash Academy as one of the admins over here. Ray and Tonya have been fantastic in starting this group and becoming an absolute force in this industry, teaching people, educating them, helping them grow their businesses, be able to take on bigger tasks, and to overall improve the industry. Myself, along with Jacob Deal, Chad Hingle, and Dougie Dew, or Doug Gore, will also be your admins in this group. Really excited to be able to help you in your journey as far as power washing is concerned. We hope that this group can stay positive, to learn a lot. If you're new and just starting out, please watch the videos on my channel, watch the videos on Doug's channel, watch the videos on Ray's channel. We got lots and lots of content out there. Search through the group. There is so much content. In the few months that we've been around with this Spray Wash Academy, it has been amazing to see the amount of information, the wealth of knowledge, the experience, and everything that is housed in this group, the willingness of people to help. So please demonstrate your ability to help yourself to all that information that's already in there. Please remain professional in the group. We always appreciate that. We all run businesses as well, and we want to be able to continue to do that and not have to play principle and casting judgments and everything. So again, learn, watch, apply, and chime in and contribute as you can. So hope you enjoy being part of the Spray Wash Academy. And have a great day. Wash on.